Hello friends, good evening to all. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So friends, today I will talk how I learned English, why I learned English, what I did to learn English. Friends, to learn English no need proper grammar, no need to go outside for class because you have your smartphone. Use the smartphone. Why you're keeping smartphone at home? I'm using my smartphone and I have one dictionary. I used to wonder if I could be able to speak English. At first, I did not understand anything. I could not understand anything when my friends used to talk in English because I'm not very educated. I was to feel shy to stay with them. I could not understand. My friends used to make fun of me. I used to cry. But what to do? I don't know to talk English. Then I thought I should learn English. I would read English properly, but I could not understand. Then slowly I started to reading storybooks. I did not understand anything, not even one sentence. Then, what I did not understand, I looked the dictionary. I used to read kids' book. Now used to watch English movie. I used to listen English music. I don't like to read newspaper, but now I'm reading newspaper also. When I am doing housework, I talk to myself. When I think anything, I used to think in English. When I don't understand any sentence, I asked somebody. Friends, I daily try to speak one sentence. Initially, I used to speak very broken English. My friends used to make fun of me. I used to ashamed, but what to do? I have to learn English. I did not even know the meaning of how are you. I did not even know how to answer because I studied in Odia medium, friends. I'm not very educated person. So how I will know the things, how I will know the sentence, how I will know the English. So friends, you also have to know the English. You have to learn English. When I am talking in English, now also I'm not talking proper English because now still I'm learning to talk. With me, nobody is there to talk. I'm talking alone on myself. You also have to do like that, and no need to no need to feel shy to others because we are learning. We don't know to talk English, and English is just a language, so no need to feel shy to others. First, you learn and show them. You don't need to study lot of to speak English. Thank you for today.